how to make other pp, how to make other sound horn, how to make a horn that blows is very simple. Watch this video. The end after watching this video you will know how to do it. If you also make other things, please comment. First, take a waste pencil and another on as shown in this video, and take another sheet of paper as shown in this video. It should be like in this video. That is, it will make a different sound. Or it is very simple. Just see it like shown in the video and watch the video till the end. You will understand. Take another tape. Do you know what this is? Khalid, put it in our language and attach the tape. It is very simple. Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments how you like this video. If you have any question, please comment and I will answer them. You can also share other video in your area or at your school or at home.